people, welcome back to Music and Country Life. Yes, now today I'll be showing you how to make potato flaxseed pudding, or in Jamaica we call it blue jaws or dukunu. Yes, you don't want to miss this recipe. You want to try it for you and your family. Yes, healthy and just authentic. If you have not yet subscribed, you got to click the subscription button below. Yes, remember to give me a thumbs up, leave a thumbs up, and leave your comments below. And let me know if you have eaten your sweet potatoes this way. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber. Yes, vitamin C and B. This can help with stomach ulcers. Yes, it does boost immunity, excellent for the eyes, excellent for the digestion process. If you're having problems with your digestion, this is good for it. It prevents dehydration and it improves your brain health. So remember to eat healthy, live healthy, and stay happy. So here we have our sweet potato and we are going to get it peeled. Then here we have our cocoa. Yes, so this is what we call cocoa in the country. Yes, and we will get it peeled also. So after we get them washed nicely, yes, as you can see right here, we will cut it in a smaller and then we're gonna grate our cocoa. Yes, so we are finished grating our sweet potato. Now we're gonna grate the cocoa. And this is what it looks like, yes, when we are done grating. So here we have the water boiling for the coconut milk. Yes, and what we will do is add some fresh colored mint leaves to the water. Yes. And then we're going to use this water to strain our coconut milk. And here we have the mint water here ready, as you can see nicely. And we're going to put it to cool a little to strain the coconut milk. So here we have our cool mint water and we are going to mix in our coconut milk. here we have our grated sweet potato and our cocoa. Now we're going to add our cornmeal. As you can see it. Then we're gonna add our flour. Then we're gonna add our grounded flaxseed. Then we're gonna add a dash of the seeds to it. Then we're gonna add our sugar. You can see it. Then we're gonna add our coconut milk. So you will mix it until it becomes fluffy. Yes? And then you will add your rose and almond spice. Right? And then we will add our Himalayan salt. Yes, you know we can't do without our Himalayan salt. So we add a pinch of salt to it. And we're going to get a clean, nice Rose Michel banana leaf so that we can wrap it in. And we're going to put it over the fire to quail. Then we're going to get the string . So after you quill the leaf and the mixture is ready, you will place the mixture in the middle of the leaf. here we have it in the middle of the leaf, and then you will fold it 2 sides, bring in both sides, then you will fold the bottom end, fold it twice, then you will fold the other end, fold it twice, then we have our strings right here from the banana tree. Yes, and then hold one end, hold the other end, then you will tie the mixture in the leaf, make a knot, and then you will go around the other 2 sides and you will secure again with a knot. Here you have it, and then we will put this in the pot to boil. And we have them boiling nicely here, and we will add another one, and then we'll allow them to boil for an hour. And here we have it. It is done. There you have it, the authentic potato flaxseed dukunu, or you can call it your own little pudding. Yes, but we call it blue jaws in Jamaica. All right, so stay tuned, stay connected for another informative country life video.